What if you could naturally reverse the signs of aging, without pills, without procedures, and without added sugar or carbs? I'm Dr. Kade, and in today's video, I'll reveal the 8 best zero-carb, zero-sugar superfoods that help repair cells, boost energy, sharpen memory, and help you feel younger from within. These foods are powerful, easy to add to your diet, and can help your body turn back the clock naturally. If you're over 55 and want to keep your mind sharp, your body strong, and your skin glowing, stay tuned. And if you care about natural, fact-based health, hit that subscribe button now. Let's count down the 8 foods that can actually slow down aging without adding a single gram of sugar or carbs to your plate. 1. Eggs, the cell repair champion. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. They help your body repair damaged cells, maintain muscle mass, build brain and nerve tissue. They contain choline, a nutrient that supports brain health, memory, and liver function. With zero sugar and near-zero net carbs, eggs are an ideal anti-aging food. Enjoy 1 to 2 boiled or poached eggs daily for steady energy and cell repair. 2. Wild salmon, the inflammation fighter. Aging is accelerated by inflammation, and salmon is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, protein. These help reduce joint pain, protect your heart, support brain function, and improve skin elasticity. Bake or grill 2 servings per week. Avoid breading or sweet glazes. 3. Leafy greens, the detox cleanser. Spinach, kale, collard greens. These dark greens are near-zero net carb because of their high fiber content. They are packed with chlorophyll for detox, vitamin K for bone health, folate for cognitive function. Their antioxidants cleanse your body from the inside, supporting organs and protecting cells from damage. Eat 1 to 2 cups daily in salads or lightly steamed. 4. Cruciferous vegetables, the cell guardians. Broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage are powerful zero-carb options for detox and cell protection. They contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates cellular cleanup. Vitamin C boosts collagen production. Fiber improves digestion and hormone balance. These vegetables support liver detox and help fight against age-related diseases. Have half a cup cooked 3 to 5 times per week. 5. Avocado, the hydration helper. Avocado is unlike any other fruit. It has no sugar, minimal net carbs, and is packed with monounsaturated fats, potassium, antioxidants like lutein. These nutrients support heart health, reduce blood pressure, and keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Eat half an avocado daily with meals or as a snack. 6. Extra virgin olive oil, the longevity liquid. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that mimics the effect of anti-inflammatory drugs, naturally. Benefits include reduced joint pain, improved blood flow, lower oxidative stress. It has zero carbs, zero sugar, and is a staple in longevity diets around the world. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per day as a salad dressing or to drizzle over vegetables. 7. Bone broth, the collagen rebuilder. Bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine, which support joint regeneration, gut lining repair, skin elasticity. As we age, collagen production declines. Bone broth helps naturally restore it, without carbs or sugar. Sip 1 cup daily, preferably in the evening to support repair while you sleep. 8. Chia and flaxseeds, the hormone supporters. Chia and flax are extremely high in fiber, meaning their net carbs are close to zero. They are packed with plant omega-3s, lignans for hormonal balance, magnesium for stress reduction and muscle relaxation. These seeds also stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion, crucial for maintaining energy and clarity as you age. Take 1 tablespoon per day, in smoothies, yogurt, or mixed in water, to maximize the anti-aging effect. Eat protein in the morning for energy. Consume healthy fats in the afternoon for satiety. Sip collagen-rich foods at night for repair and deep sleep. And don't forget, hydration is just as important as food for cell renewal. If you want to age in reverse, naturally, start with what's on your plate. Here's your natural anti-aging grocery list. EGGS. Salmon. Leafy greens. cruciferous vegetables, avocado, olive oil, bone broth, Chia or flaxseeds. Each one has zero carbs, zero sugar, and maximum impact on how you look, move, and feel. Which of these foods are in your diet already? And which ones do you want to start eating daily? Comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want a video on 7 foods that speed up aging, type age trap in the comments. I'm Dr. Kade. Stay healthy, stay natural. And don't forget to subscribe.